Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore QQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 2nd of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the potential of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 30th of December, 2024, our system has identified QQQ as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.19. Now let's examine the performance of the ETF during this time frame. The ETF recorded a loss of -1.04%. This equates to an average daily loss of -0.35% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 8.43% over the coming 3 months, suggesting a possible return ranging from 8.43% to 15.96%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it points to a projected change of 23.42% over the next 12 months, with a potential return between 15.29% and 31.27%. This translates to a price range of $588.26 to $669.79 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for QQQ features the headline: the QQQ ETF price concluded at $510.23 on Thursday, after experiencing a decline of 0.196%. The QQQ ETF price decreased by 0.196% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 2nd of January, 2025, dropping from $511.23 to $510.23. This marks the 5th consecutive day of decline. During the last trading session, the ETF exhibited a fluctuation of 2.16%, with a daily low of $505.71 and a daily high of $516.63. Over the last 10 days, the price has decreased in 7 instances, resulting in an overall decline of 4.77% for this period. The volume of trade increased on the last day by 8 million shares, despite the falling prices. This could serve as an early warning signal, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 36 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $18.22 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $539.15, while the lowest price was $395.35. Currently, the price is 5.36%, or $28.92, below the 52-week high of $539.15, which also represents the all-time high for the ETF. As we begin the year 2025, the technology sector, particularly large-cap stocks within the Invesco QQQ, is drawing significant attention. After a strong 2024, where the QQQ achieved impressive returns of 54% in 2023 and 30% in 2024, there is speculation about potential additional gains in the upcoming year. However, recent trends indicate that sellers are regaining control on Wall Street, leading investors to carefully observe key indicators that could signal future market movements. The artificial intelligence sector continues to be a primary driver, suggesting that despite recent fluctuations, growth stocks related to artificial intelligence may still present considerable upside. The overall strong performance of technology, reflecting a year-to-date increase of 27.7%, reinforces confidence in the resilience of QQQ. In the short term, the market's volatility could result in fluctuations in the QQQ stock price. Long-term investors should contemplate strategies to diversify, possibly benefiting from pairing QQQ with complementary exchange-traded funds focused on free cash flow, thus enhancing risk-adjusted returns. As we progress through 2025, paying close attention to these dynamics will be essential for strategic investing in QQQ and the broader technology sector, guiding both immediate and long-term investment decisions. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The QQQ Exchange Traded Fund carries sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which suggests a more negative outlook for the fund. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $520 and $516. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, December 16, 2024, and the fund has since declined by approximately 5.19%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, volume increased as prices fell, which might serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the ETF more closely. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggested a sell signal 12 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy opportunity from 12 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 4 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also reflected a sell signal 4 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a sell signal 5 days ago. Meanwhile, the long-term moving average presented a buy signal 80 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $505.58. This level may present a buying opportunity, as we can anticipate an upward reaction when this support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund exhibits very controlled movements, and due to its good liquidity, the risk is considered quite low. Over the last day, the exchange-traded fund fluctuated by $10.92 between its high and low, reflecting a movement of 2.16%. For the past week, the average daily volatility has been 1.53%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for QQQ, let's first review some key fundamental data. To begin, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio might suggest that the market has low expectations for the company's future performance, or that the exchange-traded fund is undervalued, hinting at a possible buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $514.17. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at $505.58. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our assessment of this exchange-traded fund is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop-loss in place. Is the QQQ ETF a good investment choice? While the QQQ ETF shows several concerning indicators, and despite a generally positive trend, we anticipate that the QQQ will exhibit weak performance in the upcoming days or weeks. Thus, our assessment of this ETF is negative. After evaluating the volatility and market movements from the previous trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to trading on Friday, the 3rd of January, we predict that the QQQ will open up by approximately 627 ten-thousandths and commence trading at $510.86. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.